Sarura Kids.
Hi, and welcome to 10 free activities for kids at home with Sarura Kids. All these activities are absolutely free. You can do them all indoors, but if you can get outside, it's even more fun. Number 1 is our Mattress Mountain. We love this one because it really is just as simple as taking a mattress and propping it up against a couch. We used a double mattress so the girls had more space to fall onto. This is a really great one for improving coordination, building and strengthening those muscles, as well as teaching distance perception. Plus, it's really fun.
Oh, look, get those fish. Oh. Don't you annoy you? I've got a pony on it. We can go down the bumps too. We can down the mountain. We can fly.
Yeah, roly-poly!
We can sit on the mountain.
Number 2 is really brilliant for improving distance perception. Jumping from the couch to the mattress on the floor. This one helps your future self-trained gymnast to practice muscle control. Just be sure to move anything from around the mattress for those super bouncy jumpers. And a modification on this one is to roll, not jump. Yay!
But wait for me.
Next we have number 3. Now this one's a great stress reliever. It's an undercover exercise, so don't tell the kids. You just need some string, some tape and some balloons, and you have the kids running around aiming for the balloons, or in this case, just pulling them down.
Whoa! Look at them go! Look, a party game! Whoa! Here we are. Thanks.
Number 4. The good old egg and spoon race. This one has tons of great benefits for kids. It helps with hand-eye coordination. It's a great one for encouraging little ones to follow instructions, and it helps with their balance. Number 5 is the balloon chaser. If you have older kids, they can help to set this up by blowing up the balloons or cutting the string for you. It's a brilliant exercise to get the kids moving. Trying to guess how fast the balloon will go is also a big part of the fun.
Ready? Go! Ready, go! Steady, go! Oh!
Next, we have a super fun activity that all kids will love. The aim is to keep the balloons up and not let them touch the ground. It's a great challenge and endless fun for everyone. This is sure to be a hit with the whole family as it gets the whole team involved. It's brilliant for improving coordination and balance, getting some fun exercise, all while developing gross motor skills.
Oh, it's gone! Oh, yes, keep it up, keep it up. Whoa, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Up, up. Oh. Oh, she's gone, she's not going away with it. Let's catch her.
Number 7 is a nation favorite. Superb for developing gross motor skills such as running, jumping, kicking, picking, standing, and walking. Football is great for developing agility, balance, reaction time and speed, all while having tons of fun. Number 8 is fun for kids of all ages. You can use whatever you have lying around to make obstacles for kids to climb over, crawl under, push along, or slalom around. You can be as creative as you like, depending on your kids' abilities. We started relatively small because Anu and Vongai are still quite young. But regardless, the obstacle course has tons of benefits for kids. It helps in the ability to receive and make sense of information so you can act on it. Obstacle course play is great for sensory processing, improving strength and balance, bilateral coordination, memory, and problem solving. Obstacle courses are great for developing motor skills. And if that's not enough, they are also a great way for kids to socialize and teamwork. Number 9 provides kids with a fantastic creative outlet through which they can express themselves. Drawing is holistic in that it encourages muscles to work while improving hand-eye coordination. Kids will love planning and seeing through their artistic projects, all while developing gross and fine motor skills depending on what tools you use. Drawing is a great independent play activity and is very therapeutic as it offers emotional release and encourages communication. If you're doing this outside like we are, feel free to use chalk or even charcoal. Both of them wash off easily with water, and the kids will love having these near infinite canvases to explore on. If you're inside, you can use the inside of a cereal box or other packaging.
Yeah, you coloured it in very nicely.
And that brings us on to our last activity, number 10. With this activity, please feel free to make it your own. You can make spirals for the kids to chase, a road to follow, even add some hopscotch, anything that inspires you. If you're doing this indoors, you can use toilet roll, tape, or even strips of newspaper to draw your shapes. We kept it relatively simple, again because of the available space outside, as well as Ano and Wongai's age. This is a brilliant one for developing motor skills. Kids will find their memory and problem solving call to the fore as they remember the sequence of instructions and have to act on them. It's a brilliant one for improving balance and coordination, as well as concentrating in order to complete it. Not bad for a bit of chalk, right?
Road, hop, 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 run away.
Yeah, good job.
And that brings us to the end of 10 free activities for kids at home. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. If you have any videos you would like us to make, just let us know on our social media platforms. Try one of these today, and remember, if it's fun, you're doing just fine.